Here they come. Welcome.
Center Director Shannon O'Shea welcomes some special guests.
Welcome. Welcome. So we're going to be...
At the Clearfield Job Corps Center in Utah, community members stepped up showing their love for the students.
Grace, I'm Shannon.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Well, we have a donation from our community. They put together hygiene kits for our students, and so we love to partner with our community, and they love to support us here and our students in their success.
Well, my mom works for this organization, so I had heard about it, but I love the cause.
Grace Johnson and her friends from a local youth group in northern Utah gathered donations of personal hygiene products and assembled individual kits for the students at the center.
So we got thousands of donations, and we were able to make about 600 at least kits, and then we also have more donations on top of that. And then we have extra shampoo and conditioner and dental hygiene products that we brought here. So we had about 200 mothers and daughters put these together the day before Mother's Day. So
that was so special.
Mhm.
I thank you so much.
yeah.
I really appreciate it, and I know our students will appreciate it as well.
And Clearfield Job Corps students aren't shy. They immediately came over to say hi.
It's all love, guys. Good vibes around here.
How are you?
How y'all doing today?
So our students were just walking by at the end of the training day and saw that we were moving boxes, and they just stopped what they were doing to come help us move our boxes. They always will step up and help when we ask, and they're always looking for ways to help on campus and off campus. We do a lot of community service projects as well.
Helping people is so important because people are all we've got on this planet, and so if we're not being there for each other, like what are we even doing?